I just received the sample order from Italy, addressed to Optimatic Technology and Gadgets, and came from Italy, as you can see here. And yeah, we're trying to open up this package here. How do I open this one? Okay, let's just open it this side. Ay, nakahabol naman eh. Okay. And yeah, boom. These are smaller ones. And we have the, of course, ChatSim 1. Unlimited chatting for 1 year. And we also have the new ChatSim 2. This is a smaller package than I expect. As you can see, you have it here, ChatSim 2. So yeah, this is the one which has internet package inside, full internet capability worldwide in 165 countries with 250 network partners all around the world. ChatSim 2 has arrived in the Philippines.